Audio desync in Valorant can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve the situation. Follow this guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in Valorant are correctly configured. Go to the Settings menu, select the Audio tab, and adjust the output device to match your headphones or speakers. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to ensure you have the latest drivers installed. Step 3. Disable audio enhancements. Sometimes, audio enhancements can interfere with game audio. Right-click the sound icon in your system tray, select Sounds, go to the Playback tab, right-click your audio device, select Properties, and disable any enhancements in the Enhancements tab. Step 4. Low graphics settings. High graphics settings constrain your system and lead to audio desync. Lower your graphics settings in Valorant to ensure smoother performance, which can help sync audio and visuals better. Step 5. Restart the game. If you continue to experience audio desync, try restarting Valorant. This can refresh the game's audio engine and resolve temporary issues that may be causing the desync. By following these steps, you should be able to improve audio synchronization in Valorant. Enjoy your gaming!